Hello guys, today we're going to unbox one of the most important thing in our chocolate journey. So our Melanger had just arrived few days ago, but I haven't unboxed it yet. So today will be the first time to see this. Actually, I just took a peek from what's inside. So it's here. You can see it for the sticker. They imported this from India. So the country of origin is India. So they're really good in making this kind of machine there. Come on, let's see what's going on here. Yeah. Let's see together what's inside. Okay. Oh, here we have here double boxes. One for the packaging, and then one is the box of the machine itself. Okay, let me set aside that one, and I will turn it up. This one is the Premier Chocolate Refiner. So this model, as the reseller or the dealer from Thailand, when I asked them which one is really fitted for like 48 hours of grinding and then up to 72 hours, so they recommend me this one, which is Premier Chocolate Refiner. So this is basically a stone melanger grinder, which is for home use, but those who are doing like small batches of craft chocolate, they use this one. The one I saw on YouTube was like they have 3 or 4 up to 5 of this, so they can start there small batches of craft chocolate. So let's find out the details. So now you too can make your own chocolate. That's my dream. Nice one. Imagine, create, and then indulge. Of course, we are the first one to taste the product of this machine. So by the way, this one is like the model which is tilting. So when you're going to pour down or keep your chocolate out of this drum, so you are able to tilt it. What else? Model PG508, 10 pounds the capacity. It has the tilting feature there. Perfect for small batch professional chocolate making. So this is not just simply for homemade one. This is intended for those who are starting professionally. It must be a good start. So let's find out what can we have from this machine or melanger itself. To create smooth and creamy nut butter, not only chocolate, engineered for ease of use and durability. Yes, it must be able to run up to 72 hours or more. So let's find out. Come on. Take a look, guys. So here it is. I wish I can make it a better way. Oh, you have the manual. Sivanesan Company, India. This must be the front side. Yeah, you see that? So the Premier Chocolate Refiner. So this one is intended for chocolate, but you're not limited to chocolate. As what I have said, you can also use this for different kind of nuts if you want to make different kind of butters. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the butterfly Not there. Oh, remove the drum. Okay, guys, you have that one, and I will show you. Can you see that? Can you see me? Then behind, oh, this is solid stone, and it must be ABS plastic here. This one. This will be turning and turning for 48 or 272 hours. So that's it, guys. See you on our next video. Don't forget to subscribe, follow, and then join us in our journey for this chocolate adventure. Stay cool, be the best of yourself. Bye.